Hi team, Property Friends update for October 2018. Great month ahead. I often get asked, when is the best time to buy property? Well, the old adage is 20 years ago. The next best time? Today. We all know that property investment is an endurance race, not a sprint. So really, whilst everybody wants to catch a rising market and buy in the rising market, it is really about staying in the market. Time in the market is worth more than timing the market. So that's the tip for this month. Stay in the market, buy as soon as you can, and make the time work for you, make the time work for your money. Quickly to the RBA. The RBA has left the rates at 1.5% unchanged for 26 months. The target rate tracker is not forecasting any increases till earliest June, July 2019. So consistently low rates. It's a great time to buy property. So let's go and do it to it. Have a good one.